In Agribusiness today, the Association of Equipment Manufacturers reports robust sales in June compared to the same time last year. Larger two-wheel drive tractors are up 30%. Four-wheel drive sales are up 19% and combine sales are up 51%. Year-to-date figures are not as strong. In fact, combine sales for the first 6 months of this year are down 23% from a year ago. In this morning's analysis, with such a big drop in projected yields, USDA offset part of the losses with decreased feed and ethanol demand for corn. ProFarmer Managing Editor Brian Grete joins us from our ProFarmer studios in Cedar Falls, Iowa, with a closer look at grain stocks.
USDA made major changes to its corn balance sheet in the July supply and demand report. The biggest change was a 20 bushel reduction in the projected corn yield for the 2012 corn crop. That at least reflects that the World Board, at the World Board level, they have an understanding of what's going on out here in the heart of the Corn Belt and throughout other areas amid the persistent heat and dryness as the crop continues to bake. Then to offset or partially offset the major reductions on the supply side, they had to reduce the demand side, and they cut over 1 billion bushels off of projected use for the 2012-2013 marketing year. Now use is projected to be up just slightly from the current marketing year on the corn, just to keep carryover close to or just above that magical 1 billion bushel level that USDA likes to maintain, especially this early in the ball game. Now we'll focus as we move forward on what NASS finds when they do their first survey-based work of the crop in the August 11th crop production report. But it's very likely, based on the conditions that are out here, that they will find a yield very similar to or lower than what the World Board projected in the July supply and demand report. With all that in mind, we now look at a situation in the corn market where the cushion is gone both on the supply side, because the crop projection has been dwindled so much from what it previously was, and also gone on the demand side because we no longer have much of an increase built in the usage categories from the 2011-2012 marketing year. For the editors of ProFarmer, I'm Brian Grete.
ProFarmer. Make great decisions and become a member today. Call or visit profarmer.com.